How to delete all your Facebook photos at once. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete all your Facebook photos or your posts at once. Now, open Facebook and log into your ID. Now, once you log into your ID, head over to your profile. Now, if you scroll down below, you'll get the option Photos. Click on it. And here, if you go to the uploads, you'll get all your uploaded pictures here. Now, Facebook doesn't give you any feature to delete all your Facebook photos or your posts at once. So, the option you have is go ahead and open the picture, and here you'll find three dots on the top right of your screen. Tap on it, and here you'll get the option to delete your photo. Tap on it and confirm to delete. What you can do is delete it one by one like this, and go to every picture and go to the three dots and delete it. But Facebook doesn't give you any feature to delete all your photos at once. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe. Do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.